Hello everyone, welcome back to the workshop. So in this video, we would like to invite you to the Great Blacksmith Christmas giveaway live stream that we will be having here soon. Huh, Jessica?
Yes, it will take place on Friday, December 15th, and it will be from roughly 5 to 7 p.m. Eastern Time. The ending time is loose time because sometimes it just takes however long it takes to give away this many great and awesome prizes.
Yeah, I'm a talker. That's what she's saying. I'm a talker. So we may run late. So it's 5 to 7 p.m. ish. With a big ish after 7 p.m. So who knows how late we will actually go there. But we do hope that you will join us this year for our Great Blacksmith Christmas giveaway live stream. We have a lot of great prizes this year, Jessica, don't we?
We do for sure. So, yeah, all kinds of things that we purchased and were sent to us as well.
Yep. So we feel very, very blessed to be so community centric and supported, and be supported by you all out there in our community, and all of the great support that we receive from you. We've also going to have some really great prizes this year because of that support. Hall and Anvil reached out again this year. They wanted to take and support the stream, and they're going to be giving away an anvil through our stream, so which is going to be super awesome. There'll be more details to come on that, and it'll be in the description down below, and it'll certainly be in the description of the live stream.
That's right.
Of the main live stream there. Also, our channel sponsor this year, Blacksmith Supply, he came out huge and took and donated a bunch of tongs for this year's giveaway live stream. So there's going to be a great amount of tongs to give away. We've got several makers that that we have sent to us different things, everything from Zach's Wax. You guys have been seeing that in a lot of my most recent videos that came in from ZH Fabrications.
Liberty Bell Forge. They sent a bunch of really cool dividers and things.
Handle Bell for Liberty Bell Craftworks, right? They sent this awesome dividers kit out to us. There's just so many great hammers and tongs and punches and hand tooling, and then all the stuff that we plan to give away from our website that'll be donated on behalf of us from our www.blacksmithingblanks.com website. We have a treadle hammer kit we'll be giving away. You guys have seen this in many of videos. We will be giving one of those away during the Christmas live stream, as well as a whole bunch of other CNC cut plasma blanks and things like that as well. It's going to be amazing. It's going to be a fun time. We're going to give away a ton of tools to hopefully help you out there, out there in the community. So Jessica, get into some of the specifics. How do people win?
Yeah, sure.
What do people do to get involved in this?
That's right. So this is our 7th annual, so a lot of you have probably heard this before.
7 years. Got to make sure I'm counting right.
There you go.
Yeah, 7. Roy can use fingers to count and do math.
You can. For those of you that are new, though, all you have to do is you have to attend the live stream that's coming up December 15th. And so attend and actively comment. So we'll go through and we'll announce that we're about to give away a prize, and we give everybody a chance to leave a comment, and that's basically all there is to it. We don't ask a whole lot. And then you'll have a certain amount of time to contact us and claim your prize. All of those particular details will go into further in the description down below.
Yeah, so as far as the particular amount of time, it's 24 hours. You have 24 hours to get in touch with us to claim your prize. Otherwise, we end up giving it away at the next live stream to somebody else. So you'll want to make sure that you read the description fully for all the rules and details and things like that. So there's no other place to win these things. You can't go to Facebook, you can't go to Instagram, you can't go to TikTok. You have to show up to our live stream here on YouTube on December 15th at 5 to 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time to be a part of that and be actively commenting for your chance to win when those things happen. So
that's correct. And the bigger prizes will be, we'll only ship those in the U.S. just because the weight, but the smaller things, the hammers, the hand
all
tools,
the hand tooling, all that stuff, that's open internationally. So so we will ship that anywhere in the world. So hey, if you're over in France and you want to you know, have some cool underpants, you can.
I didn't know that was on the giveaway list.
Yeah, you can win them here at Christ Center Ironworks on December 15th. So anyways, we just want to take and express our gratitude to you out there, the community. We are so thankful for each and every last one of you. That's why we've done this 7 times in a row. We're going to keep growing it. We're going to keep doing it every year, as you know, good Lord willing, and hopefully it will continue to grow, and we can continue to prosper the blacksmithing community out there, which is something I'm very big into. And Jessica as well. So
yeah, and on the note of gratitude, a big thank you to everybody who helped us during November, and we're continuing this particular thing through December, where we are supporting a charity, and in this year it is the Ronald McDonald House. And so what we're doing is, if you use the code RMHC over at our website, www.blacksmithingblanks.com, what we do is we give you 10% off of your order, and we're donating 10% also to the Ronald McDonald House charities. And
on your behalf.
Yep. Yeah. And so far in November, that's been almost $500. And so we are very grateful for all who have participated and joined with us to support that charity.
Yep. It's an awesome, it's a great way, if you're going to get blanks from us anyhow, that we can continue to show the love of the craft, and we can show that love and share that holiday spirit with other people as well that aren't in the blacksmith craft, and we get to share that on, you know, basically, on everyone's behalf. So when we write a check, you know, I think it's January 1 is when we write the check, isn't it? Yeah. Excuse me. Yeah, so we write a check January 1st every year, and then we go over that in our live stream too, in our January 1 live stream, what we were able to give and things like that. So please come, be part of the community, be part of what we're doing here at Christ Center Ironworks. We invite you. And from the bottom of our heart, very Merry Christmas. God bless each and every last one of you, and hope to see you during our December 15th Great Blacksmith Christmas Giveaway live stream.